So I relaxed the hair. It's a routine, like 2 times routine relaxer. So first of all, I'm putting Vaseline on the skin to avoid burning the skin, and I'll start applying relaxer. So this one is more fast. I'm going to do the slower one, just to keep watching. I'm going to do the second relaxer routine, so you need to keep watching. So I wash the hair and I'm blow drying it until dry, then I'll put hair food, and then the hair is done. So now stay connected for the second relaxer routine. So I'm applying the hair, parting it into sections, and I'm applying the relaxer on the hair. I'm ignoring the scalp for now because you don't want the scalp to burn since it's sensitive while we are still working on the hair. So we're starting with the hair. So we are applying direct to the hair and we are not applying to the skin, to the scalp. So that's what I'm doing. So when I make sure that all the hair is saturated with the relaxer, then I'll take it section by section. I'll start to massage it through to the scalp, just like what I'm doing. Keep massaging it so that all the hairs will be directly saturated with the relaxer, just like what I'm doing. So you do not want to exceed 15 minutes. So we are working below 15 minutes while the relaxer is on the hair, just like that. So I went on to wash with the shampoo. Make sure that all the relaxer is out, and then when the relaxer is out, you go on with the hair conditioner. Just like that. If you see the hair still indicating purple, it means that on the foam, it means that the relaxer is still there. So we need to wash off all the relaxer out, and then I'm blow drying her hair. After blow drying the hair, I'm taking hair food and I'm parting the hair section by section, feeding it with the hair food. If you don't have hair food, you can use Vaseline for this, section by section, just like what I'm doing. And then after that, after parting all the parts of the hair, putting the hair food from the scalp to the hair and just blow drying it, and then we are done, guys. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And remember, this is how I relax my hair. And don't forget to wear the gloves. Don't forget to wear the gloves, especially if your hands are sensitive.